Welcome to my channel Cook with Bimla. Today I'm going to make an Odia recipe, typical Odia recipe, that's goat meat curry or mutton curry in Odia way. It's mandatory for in every Sunday. The non-veg family in Odia, they prefer to have mutton curry as a main dish. Besides that, they can take any side dish and it's generally consumed with boiled rice or any kind of rice or roti or something. So let me say what's the recipe, what's the things required for it. Here I have taken 500 grams of boneless mutton or goat meat with 125 grams of liver, goat meat liver. Marinated with 6 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of goat meat masala, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and mixed it well, covered it with a sling film, and allowed it to marinate it overnight inside my refrigerator. Then I've taken one big size red onion, cut it into juliennes, medium size juliennes. This is 2 tablespoons of onion paste. This is 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Though I found in my kitchen today morning there are only baby potatoes, so I've taken 5 or 6 of them and washed it, peeled it and covered it with water so that it won't turn dark. Then comes this is for the aromatic smell. I've taken there's no need to dry roast for this recipe, I just need to add it to the curry. So I've taken 2 inch of cinnamon actually. 1 black cardamom, 4 green cardamom, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. I don't know why sugar is used in this curry, maybe for some reason, but I've been using it since I've learned how to make this. So I'm switching on the stove over high flame. I'll place a pressure cooker over it, because mutton has to be done in pressure cooker. And we will be using mustard oil. So I'm using this mustard oil, organic mustard oil by 24 Mantra. The brand name is 24 Mantra mustard oil. I'll pour around 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Allow it to become little bit hot. First I'll be adding the sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to it. It always has to be on high flame because the place I live in, the water is a little hard, so it takes time to cook. Then I'll pour in the cumin seeds, add it to crackle a bit. Time to add the dry whole spices. Not dry, sorry, whole spices. Along with, I forgot to mention, I have to pour in 1 bowl bay leaf, 1 or 2 for the very excellent fragrance. Pouring in 2 bay leaves. I'll saute it for a few seconds. Now it's time to add the onions. I cut into julienne. Be careful about it. Sprinkle here and there. Saute it about in high flame for about 1 minute maximum, because we have to add the onion paste too. We don't need to add salt at all, because goat meat masala or meat masala had the salt. We have already added the salt in the marination, so no salt is required at all. Now it has just started getting brownish in color. So I'll pour in the onion paste. Be careful with it. Very, very careful with it. I'll keep on sauteing it for at least 2 minutes. Now I'll be pouring in the this ginger garlic paste and saute it for 1 more minute. Along with that, I'll also add the peeled baby potatoes. Take the water out from it. Keep on sauteing it. In the meantime, what we'll do is, mutton curry always has to be, when the water has to be added in the mutton or the goat meat, it has to be boiled water, not cold water. If we add cold water, it just may get it may get broken up or something else. So I'm taking around 3 to 4 cups of water. I'll be boiling water over here. Let me get back to my curry paste. Time to add the marinated mutton along with the liver of the goat meat. We'll be sauteing it for around 10 to 15 minutes over medium flame continuously. So ladies, kindly have patience, or gents who are interested in cooking, have patience, because the result will be worth it. I'm sure about it. You can mark my words. Now it's almost 15 minutes have gone by. I pour in the boiling water. Switch up the stove. Pour in the boiling water. Around 3 cups. Stir it well. Nothing more to add. Cover. Here's the cover. I'll cover the pressure cooker. Be careful with it. Put it on high flame till 3 whistles. Then after 3 whistles, we simmer it to low. After the 4th whistle comes up, we'll switch off the stove and allow it to depressurize itself. I totally allowed it to cook for 3 whistles. Then simmered the flame to low. 4 whistles came by. Then I switched off the stove. After that, I allowed it to depressurize itself. Now let me have a look at it. I'll slowly open it. Taking time. Open it very carefully actually. Make sure it's hot. Yes, it's perfectly done. So let me take it over my kitchen counter. I'll not use this one. I'll pour this in a survey. It's cooked perfectly. You can see the liver pieces here. There's a goat meat here. And the baby tomatoes. Sorry, potatoes. The bay leaf to give some awesome fragrance. Added a little more water because actually people here like the potato and the mutton gravy more than the mutton or the goat meat. I've used all organic products except the veggies and all. I mean that it's done. Let me put it over there. That's perfectly done. Put it into side. If you want, you can add a peeled raw papaya, cut into half, and while sauteing it, you can do it. It will also act as a good thing to do. Along with it, I made the raita over here. This raita contains whisk yogurt, cucumber, onion, red onions, all scrapped, green chili, some amount of black salt and some amount of white salt. So next step is to, okay, this curry goes well with this curry goes well with mutton or goat meat curry, goes well with boiled rice, cooked boiled rice, and raita. And if you don't want the curry, you can just like after it's done, you can switch on the flame over again on high flame, and inside the pressure cooker, allow the water to evaporate so that it becomes the goat meat semi gravy kind of. So that's it for now. If you like my preparation and the dish, so click on the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. And do not forget to click on the bell button so that you can get the notification as soon as I upload the next video. That will ready to come to you. That much for now. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Take care.